Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can connect the electrical wires from one part to the other part. When you finish your drawing, you need to save and then you need to check is there any pin in here or not. Usually we do have the harness. When you're checking through here, you don't see the harness. What you do is going to here to tick on the harness. And then harness parts coming out, there's a pin in there. So place a pin. So I just going to here to place a pin, which is number 1. Then go to number 2. They just put the numbers there. And number 3. Okay. If I go to here, I place a pin. So pin number 1, number 2, and number 3. And tick through. So that's the first step. Okay, start a new assembly drawing. Create. Then place the parts I just created. Control box. Put it there. And okay, just one enough. And place the knob. And put it anywhere I want. Then I need to save this one as alright. So now I'm moving this one down a little bit. As you can see it's not in the right angle, so what I'm doing is adjust this one, free rotation. What I'm doing is change the direction because they need to facing this way. And okay. Turning up. Okay, now I'm moving this one down to this way a little bit. Okay, so that's the right location. What I'm doing now is try to connect these 1 to 3 points to 1 to 3 points. It's got a pin there because you can see the colors change. If you don't create a pin, you won't be able to connect them. Okay, now going to environment, cable and harness. Give a name for them. Create wire or create cable. Okay, you can change your name as cable 1 or 2 or 3. Alpha, I usually use alpha. And you can have a choice. The first choice you got 2 different colors, which is not enough. And second one, you got 3 different one, but I don't use the white, so I can choose whatever I need. Yeah, when you see black, red, and green, this is perfect. First one, black to the first one. Apply. You must click on apply, and then I use the red, second pin to the second pin, and then green. Apply. And now finish, we connect them. However, we see some problems. The problem is, first thing, they're not in curve, it's not smooth, and also they go through the panel, which is impossible. You won't drill the hole from there. So therefore, we need to create a root, and also we need to have a segment going through so they can tidy up and change the shape. So let's create a segment. When you say segments, they need to have a platform to standing on. Already the first one I click on there, so the first pin will be there. And then I want to go in up to there somewhere. Yeah. So therefore you can have a little bit of space to run through. And then I go into here somewhere. Here, then here, and then here, and finish. So when you finish this, it's going to be a little bit better than it used to have. All you need to do is go to auto route. Okay, pick the wires. I go 1 wire, 2 wire, 3 wires. And let's say okay. They tidy up in your segment. See that? That's the way. If I don't want to go through there, I want to go nice and tidy to here, to there, and then going back to there. What I'm doing is find the points. So that's 1 point, 2nd point, 3rd point, and this one define point, and then I want to define the two here. Alright, so they change. And this point there, redefine point, and I want to be here. Okay, so this one there, if I put it there, maybe they change, which is I want to add 1 more point there. That's too far away from this point to there. Click on there and add points. I want to add 1 already here. I want to add in there and there, and that's all. And finish. When I try to find the point, I redefine this point to somewhere here. Alright, so you can see how they smoothly to go around. They're still going around there, which is this point need to be redefined in here. This is nice and tidy, didn't touch anything on top of the other parts. That's the way we're doing. Thank you.